Yo, what is crackin' Shift 100 crew? Welcome back to the channel where we only talk about next level automotive shifts. And boy oh boy has the game been shifted. Dodge just dropped the curtain on the brand new 2025 Charger Daytona, and guess what? The V8 is dead. Gone. Finished. Instead, we're getting electrons, baby. This is the future of muscle and it is looking absolutely wild. Let's get right into the specs because this is where things get insane. Dodge isn't just dipping their toe into the EV pool, they're cannonballing. This beast is built on the new STLA Large platform and it is packing a massive 100.5 kilowatt-hour battery. That is huge. This thing is a rolling power bank. But that battery means weight, and the scales are tipping at a mind-blowing 5,838 pounds. Yes, nearly 3 tons. This isn't just heavy, this is a certified unit. But what does that weight get you? Well, it gets you power. Ludicrous power. The launch models are all-wheel drive dual-motor monsters. The base model is the RT, and I say base with air quotes because it pumps out 496 horsepower. That's already nuts. But if you're a true speed demon, you're looking at the Scat Pack. The 2025 Scat Pack delivers a staggering 670 horsepower and 627 pound-feet of torque instantly. The 0 to 60 time? Dodge claims 3.3 seconds. 3.3. That is legit supercar territory. That's the magic of EV torque, folks. It's an entirely different animal. Now let's talk features because the design is a massive pro. It looks incredible. It's still undeniably a Charger, but it's been hitting the gym in the future. The coolest feature, hands down, is the R-Wing. This is a pass-through wing at the front of the car right on the nose. It's not just for looks, it creates genuine downforce channeling air over the hood and keeping that heavy front end planted. It's genius aero and it looks sick. Another massive plus, this thing is a hatchback. You heard me. The old Charger had a tiny trunk opening. This new Daytona, the entire rear glass lifts up, revealing a massive cargo area. This is suddenly the most practical muscle car on the planet. You get 670 horsepower and you can also haul your groceries, your luggage, maybe even a flat-screen TV. It's a game changer for daily driving. Inside, it's all tech. You get a 12.3-inch main screen, a digital gauge cluster, and this wild ambient lighting setup that wraps around the cabin. It's a proper 2025 interior vibe. But let's talk pros and cons, real talk. Pro, the performance is undeniable. 3.3 seconds to 60 is world-ending speed for something this size. Con, the weight, 5,838 pounds. That is the elephant in the room, the garage, and the entire zip code. It's gonna eat tires for breakfast, and while it might be fast in a straight line, we are super curious to see how that mass feels in a corner. Pro, the design. The R-Wing, the hatchback practicality, the aggressive stance, it's a 10 out of 10. Con, the sound, or lack thereof. Dodge has this fratzonic chambered exhaust, which is basically a synthesizer pumping fake V8 noise. High-key, it sounds weird in the videos. It's loud, but it's not a Hellcat scream. This is going to be the biggest hurdle for muscle car purists. And here's a little secret. If you're high-key terrified of this EV life, Dodge confirmed they will be putting a gas engine in this chassis in 2025. It's called the Six Pack, and it's a 3-liter twin-turbo inline-six. We're expecting around 550 horsepower. So you have a choice. The insane heavy 670 horsepower EV or the lighter 550 horsepower twin-turbo. That is a wild choice to have. Look, the V8 era is over, but the horsepower wars are not. This is a new chapter. Is this 5,800-pound EV a real Charger? It's fast, it's loud, and it looks mean. Sounds like a Charger to me. What do you think? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And listen, if you want to stay on the cutting edge of this automotive revolution, you need to be subscribed to Shift 100. We're the ones covering the future right now. Hit that button. Peace.